Hi there, student. Alms. So notice the pronunciation. Sounds exactly like arms, but it's spelt differently. A-L-M-S. Okay, this is a plural noun, yeah? We don't have it in the singular, an arm. No, it doesn't exist. Arms in the plural. Okay, alms are food or clothing or something else that you give or is given to poor people. So alms is giving to the needy. Yeah. In the past, people thought that it was their religious duty to give alms to the poor. Well, in many religions, it still exists like that. Yeah, alms, food, money, clothes to give to poor people. I think alms is quite a formal and old-fashioned word. Yeah, if you go around the UK and look for them, in London there are quite a few, you will find almshouses. Yeah, these are houses which were built and looked after by charities to give somewhere for poor people to live, for old people to live where they could not afford to pay rent. I think it was quite common for the families of soldiers who'd been killed in battle or killed in a war to be provided with almshouses. Okay, so this is effectively accommodation for the poor that they don't have to pay for. Okay, so to give alms, were distributed to those in need. If you go to church on a Sunday, you will probably find people on the steps begging for alms. Okay, but alms, it doesn't just have to be food. It's money, food, or something else that is donated for people who are poor. Yeah, it's considered an act of virtue. Yeah, the act of giving alms is called almsgiving. Yeah, and this is something that happens all over the world, and most religions try to promote this. Okay, so alms. Charitable donations given to the poor and needy. Yeah, so alms, a donation, a relief, a gift, charity, benefaction. Yeah, so alms. So how formal is this word alms? I think yes, this word it's old-fashioned. It's pretty formal. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. Let's see, I would give it, I think, probably a 7 in formality. It sounds pretty literary, so be careful of it. I think you could use it in a semi-formal exam writing or something like this. Okay, so let's see, alms. It comes from Proto-Germanic alemosina, yeah, which itself was borrowed from Latin, elemosina, elemosna. Let's see, certainly in Spanish today there's a word limosna meaning alms, something that you give. And then originally it comes from ancient Greek, elemosune, yeah, meaning alms itself. Eleo, I have mercy. Yeah, eleos, mercy. So, yeah, mercy is helping the needy. Yeah, he gives 10 euros a week to the poor as alms. Charities distribute alms for the needy. Yeah. There are places where alms are given to the refugees leaving certain countries. Okay, so distribution of food, that's alms. It doesn't have to be money. It just has to be something that somebody who's poor or needy needs. Okay, so alms. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Alms, a plural noun.